music in now. Today we will be dissecting a fetal pig, and first we're going to go over the external anatomy of the pig. So first we have the external nares, which are the nostrils right there. And then there's the tongue, located right below, and the lower lip. And you can see that it has some hairs. And then right below that, you have the submental vibrissae, which is right here, like the chin with the hairs. And then you have the eyelids right there. Right here we have the external ear or auricle. Then you have the crest of the shoulder right there, and the crest of the hip located right there. We have the hoof covered by protective epithelium, and then the wrist joint located right here, just above the hoof, and the elbow joint located close to the trunk. In the middle, underneath the pig, we have the mammary papillae, or the teats. These are on both male and female pigs. We also have the umbilical cord and the urethral opening just underneath the umbilical cord. Then there is the knee joint located right here, and then just below that is the ankle joint. You have the scrotum located right there on the back of the pig, as well as the anus. And to determine the sex of the fetal pig, if the urethral opening is right underneath the umbilical cord, it's a male, and if it's located near the anus, then it's a female.